Imagine handing over $1,000 to 10 of the biggest names on the London Stock Exchange 5 years ago and just walking away. No trading, no panic selling, just watching the clock. Some of these blue-chip giants actually left investors worse off than they started. But one name on this list turned that same $1,000 into more than £2,500. Stick with us because the order might genuinely surprise you. Kicking things off at number 10 is Vodafone, and it is not a good start. $1,000 invested 5 years ago would now be worth just $952.36, a loss of 5%. Years of fierce competition, a bloated European footprint and repeated dividend worries have weighed heavily on the telecoms giant. Investors who bought and held simply watched their capital shrink. It is a sobering reminder that even the biggest names can go backwards. At number 9 we have Legal & General, turning $1,000 into $1,096, a modest gain of 10%. The insurance and asset management giant has been a steady, if unspectacular, performer, propped up largely by its generous dividend rather than share price growth. It is the kind of result that beats a savings account but barely keeps pace with inflation over 5 years. Reliable, but hardly thrilling. Sliding into 8th place is GSK, where $1,000 grew to $1,294, up 29%. The pharmaceutical giant has been through major restructuring, including spinning off its consumer healthcare arm as Haleon. That shake-up created some uncertainty along the way, but the core business has still delivered a reasonable return for patient holders. Not spectacular, but a solid single-digit percentage gain each year on average. Number 7 belongs to National Grid, with $1,000 becoming $1,311, a 31% rise. As the operator of Britain's electricity and gas networks, it is about as defensive as UK stocks get, benefiting from steady regulated returns and rising demand tied to the shift toward renewable energy. Its growth has been slow and unglamorous but consistent. For investors wanting stability over excitement, this is exactly the sort of result they would expect. At number 6, British American Tobacco turned $1,000 into $1,642, a 64% gain. Despite growing pressure from regulation and declining smoking rates in Western markets, the tobacco giant has leaned hard into newer categories like vaping and heated tobacco while maintaining a famously high dividend yield. That combination of income and share price recovery has rewarded shareholders handsomely. It is proof that unloved sectors can still deliver strong returns. Number 5 sees Aviva turn 1,000 into 1,512, up 71%. The insurer has spent recent years simplifying its business, selling off international operations and focusing on the UK, Ireland and Canada. That sharper strategy, combined with strong dividend payouts, has clearly paid off for shareholders. It is a solid comeback story for a company that many had written off a decade earlier. 4th place goes to Tesco, where $1,000 grew to $1,862, an 86% increase. Britain's biggest supermarket has quietly delivered strong and steady growth by focusing on cost control, market share, and its increasingly popular Club Card loyalty scheme. While flashy tech stocks grabbed headlines elsewhere, Tesco just kept selling groceries efficiently and rewarding shareholders. Sometimes the most boring business model is exactly what makes the money. At number 3, BP narrowly edges ahead with $1,000 becoming $1,172, up 87%. Energy prices surged dramatically following the 2022 global energy crisis, and BP capitalized with bumper profits and hefty share buybacks. Its recovery from the pandemic-era lows has been dramatic, even as the company juggles pressure to invest in renewables. For oil and gas investors, this has been a genuinely strong 5 years. In second place, Shell delivered an even bigger surge, turning $1,000 into $2,336, up 134%. Like BP, Shell rode the wave of soaring energy prices, but it paired that with disciplined cost-cutting and some of the largest share buyback programs in the FTSE 100. The result is more than double the original investment in just 5 years. It is a stark reminder of how much oil majors can swing with global energy markets. And at number 1, Lloyds Banking Group turned $1,000 into an incredible $2,569, a gain of 157%. As Britain's biggest high street lender, Lloyds benefited enormously from rising interest rates that boosted its lending margins, alongside a strong post-pandemic recovery in the UK economy. Investors who held through the uncertainty of 2020 were rewarded well beyond what most would have expected from a traditional bank stock. It is a genuinely remarkable result to top this list. So there you have it, from Vodafone's disappointing 5% loss all the way up to Lloyd's turning $1,000 into an astonishing $2,569. It just goes to show how differently even the biggest, most familiar UK companies can perform over the same 5-year period. Remember, capital is always at risk, and past performance is never a guide to future returns. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe to Clear Money UK for more deep dives into how your money could grow.